Hello, this is Yingxi Huang. I'm doing the problem 7, question 7. Firstly, it asked us to find the expectation of EZT. As we know that Z equals to this one, so we use the formula that and as N1T, N2T, and theta are all independent. So we can write the formula like this. And we know that N1T and N2T are WSS. So the expectation of N1T equals to eta 1 and the expectation of N2T equals to eta 2. And we can rewrite this part as this one, and this part as this one, as the integrals of cosine and sine over its period is always 0. So this part equals to 0 and this part equals to 0. So the answer is 0. And question 2, we want to find the autocorrelation of T1 and T2. And this one equals to the expectation of ZT1 and ZT2. And we can rewrite it like this and multiply 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 parts of expectations. And now we know that the expectation of N1T multiply N1T1 multiply N1T2 equals to the autocorrelation N1 of from T1 to T2, and this we can rewrite this as T1 plus T2 minus T1. It is the same, and this one equals to the autocorrelation N1 of T2 minus T1, and we can represent T2 minus T1 as tau. So this one equals to autocorrelation N1 of tau, and we can rewrite the that one into this form. And there we have the formula that sine x multiplied sine y equals to this. Cosine x multiplied cosine y equals to this. And sine x multiplied cosine y equals to this. So we just apply the formula into this one, and we can get this part. And now we do the integral. We noticed that this part equals to 0, 0, 0, and 0. All the integrals equals to 0 because the integral of cosine sine over its period is always 0. And now we can get that this one equals to this part. And as the expectation of ZT is constant, as we already calculated in the first question, and in this part, its autocorrelation depends on only tau, and tau equals to T2 minus T1 only. And so we can get that ZT is WSS. And the third question is to find RZ0. So we just represent tau as 0. And we have the formula that EXT plus tau XT equals to R tau. So we represent tau as 0. So this part will equals to expectation of xt square. So in our problem, this one equals to we use 0 to represent tau. So this is 1, and only this 2 parts. And so the answer is like this. And that's all. Thank you.